Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Legrand OnQ desk mount power supply. If you're looking to power up your workspace efficiently, this might just be the solution you need. Let's start with the basics. This desk mount power supply is designed to convert high voltage AC to DC, making it perfect for powering various devices in your connected home setup. With a 60-watt output and a 24-inch cord length, it offers plenty of power and flexibility. One thing I appreciate about this unit is its compact size. Measuring just 1.38 inches in height, 4.72 inches in length, and 2.36 inches in width, it doesn't take up much space on your desk. Plus, the included 24-inch cord gives you some leeway in positioning your devices. Now, let's talk certifications. The Legrand OnQ desk mount power supply is QLess and RoHS certified, ensuring that it meets high safety and environmental standards. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're using a reliable and eco-friendly product. In the box, you'll find the DC power supply with a 2-foot barrel connector plug and a 1.5-foot AC power plug. It's a simple setup that gets you up and running in no time. As for compatibility, this power supply is primarily designed for PCs but can also be used with other devices that require a 24V DC input. So whether you're powering a computer, monitor, or other peripherals, this unit has you covered. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the Legrand OnQ desk mount power supply. It offers efficient power delivery, compact design, and the necessary certifications for peace of mind. If you're looking to streamline your workspace and power your devices reliably, I definitely recommend giving this unit a try. And that wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.